What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make dry rub oven baked chicken wings. It is a very simple and delicious chicken recipe that you can't get enough of. To make this, you're gonna need a bag of chicken wings. I got this from Costco and it weighs 10 pounds, which is also the same as 160 ounces or 1.53 kilograms. Generally, I would prefer not to wash my chicken if it is totally clean with no feather on. This is to prevent the spread of bacteria over my kitchen sink and sponge, and also to save me time from having to deep clean it afterwards. As you can see, some of the wings have little feathers on them which could easily be missed if not washed. So it is very important to wash them individually so that you can pluck off any tiny feather still hanging on. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Some people use salt, limes, lemons to wash their chicken. Feel free to do that if you want to, but I'm more particular about the feathers. While it is draining, I'm gonna use the time to prepare the dry rub. To a bowl, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of chopped dried onion, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of ground cloves, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 seasoning cubes. I'm gonna crush the seasoning cubes, then mix to combine. Feel free to use any spices of choice. I have already transferred the drained wings into a bowl. I'm gonna drizzle the dry rub all over them to coat them. You can also coat them individually, which is more tedious, so I prefer to do mine this way. The secret is to sprinkle some of the dry rub all over the wings, toss it, sprinkle some more, toss it. That is how every single wing will be evenly coated. Once they are evenly coated, I'm gonna cover it and let them marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. You can also marinate your chicken in the bag it came in. I marinated mine for 1 hour, so I'm gonna layer them on a lined sheet. Before doing this, I have already preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 180 degrees Celsius. And I am using 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Before I forget, let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. The chicken should be cooked within 30 minutes, but I'm gonna bake them longer because I want them to develop a darker shade. So I'm gonna bake them for 90 minutes. During that time, I'm gonna flip each wing to the other side once or twice in order for them to develop a uniform color. After 90 minutes, this is what they look like. I am not too satisfied with the color, so I'm gonna put them back in the oven, turn the oven off, and let them just sit there for about 10 minutes. During that time, they're gonna develop a darker shade. As you can see, they have developed a darker shade. They look more like fried chicken. It smells very delicious and the taste is out of this world. Well spiced in and out. If you don't tell some people, they would think that this is fried chicken. Now that you know how to make this chicken recipe, why don't you give it a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. Your family is gonna enjoy it because it is very delicious. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.